Hello everyone, welcome back to my team of result channel. In this video tutorial, I will take you how to fix the error problem on Adobe Photoshop. Uh, it's simply in the lower version of the old Photoshop that not support very well about 4K or a new version of JPEG file. Yeah, you can see like this. Could not complete your request because it is an unknown or invalid JPEG format. Maker type is found. So that is not a problem. Now I'm gonna teach you how to do that. When we are watching the image here, it's look like it is normal, no problem here. But this image is 4K, so now I'm going to test it again. Open with Adobe Photoshop here, and it will loading me 6 just like this. It means it is an error file. So now you have to do is right click on that and then select on edit here, and here is the paintings program that you can press Control and doing like this with your rollings on your mouse, and you can save it again, like save it as like this and select JPEG again. Okay, and now click the folder that you want to put this image inside it. Now I'm gonna rename it to 1 2 3 4 5 etc. Okay, now I click on save, and you will need to click on OK, and its transparency will be lost. So don't worry about that. So click on OK, and now you go to this image again, and here is the new version of JPEG that support with your PC device. So right click on that and click on Open with Photoshop again. Okay, now it is all everything have been solved the problem, and here is your image. So now you can edit or do something with that image. So thank you for watching my video tutorial.